Welcome, everyone. Today, we're diving deep into the heart of Kansas City, where one company, Alpine Property Management, is doing more than just managing real estate. They're transforming it into gold. You might be wondering how that's possible in a market as diverse and dynamic as Kansas City. Well, stick around as we uncover the secrets behind their success and how they make real estate investments shine. Now let's set the scene. Kansas City, known for its vibrant arts scene, mouth-watering barbecue, and jazz heritage, is also a booming real estate market. But managing properties here isn't just about buying and selling. It's about vision, strategy, and execution. That's where Alpine Property Management steps in. With a keen eye for potential and a dedication to excellence, Alpine doesn't just manage properties, they enhance them. Imagine a property that's been sitting there. Maybe it's a bit worn, a bit outdated, tucked away in one of the city's growing neighborhoods. To the untrained eye, it looks like a chunk of coal, but Alpine sees a diamond in the rough. They come in, assess the property's needs, and meticulously plan out improvements that will not only increase its value but also its appeal to tenants. This isn't just renovation, it's a transformation. Alpine's approach is straightforward yet effective. They focus on properties that can benefit the most from their expertise, investing in upgrades that make a real difference. New fixtures, energy-efficient upgrades, and modern aesthetics are just the beginning. They also dive deep into the community, understanding what makes each neighborhood tick. This community-first approach ensures that the properties they manage are not just houses or buildings. They become homes and thriving businesses that contribute to the vitality of the area. But Alpine's magic doesn't stop at property enhancement. Their comprehensive management strategy covers everything from tenant screening to maintenance, all handled by their team of professionals. This turnkey solution is what makes Alpine a gold standard in property management. For property owners, it means less stress and more profitability. For tenants, it means high-quality living and working spaces tailored to their needs. And speaking of needs, if you're looking to sell your house in Kansas City, Alpine is ready to talk to you today. They're not just looking for any houses. They're looking for homes like yours that they can turn into gold for the next homeowner. So if you're thinking, I need to sell my house fast, or I'm not sure I can handle the hassle of renovations, don't sweat it. Alpine buys houses in all conditions, offering fair prices and quick closings. You can move on stress-free and let Alpine handle the transformations. Now let's talk impact. By enhancing properties and managing them expertly, Alpine not only contributes to the individual success of property owners and the satisfaction of tenants, but also to the broader economic vitality of Kansas City. They're a part of the city's growth, driving up neighborhood values, attracting more residents and businesses, and creating a cycle of prosperity that benefits everyone involved. One key element of Alpine's strategy is their meticulous tenant placement process. Finding the right tenant is crucial, as it ensures not only steady income for property owners, but also less turnover and lower maintenance costs over time. Alpine leverages advanced screening techniques to assess potential tenants, ensuring that they are reliable and well-suited to the property. This careful selection process helps maintain a stable community and protects the property owner's investment. Furthermore, Alpine understands that successful property management extends beyond leasing. They provide ongoing support and swift maintenance solutions, ensuring that any issues are addressed promptly to keep tenants satisfied and operations running smoothly. This proactive approach to property management helps prevent small issues from becoming big problems, saving money and preserving the property's value in the long run. But what truly sets Alpine apart is their commitment to adapting to market changes. The real estate market is dynamic, and staying ahead requires constant analysis and agility. Alpine stays informed about market trends and local economic shifts, enabling them to advise property owners on when to make key financial moves, like adjusting rental prices, renovating properties, or expanding their portfolios. This strategic foresight is vital for maximizing returns in a fluctuating market. Moreover, Alpine's influence extends beyond individual properties to the broader community. By improving and maintaining high-quality residential and commercial spaces, they help attract new residents and businesses to the area, contributing to economic growth and community development. This not only enhances the quality of life in Kansas City, but also boosts the overall value of the neighborhoods where they operate. For those considering entering the Kansas City real estate market, or current owners looking to enhance their property management approach, partnering with Alpine Property Management can be a transformative decision. They not only offer a comprehensive suite of services designed to maximize your property's potential, but also bring a community-focused approach that drives real, sustainable growth. Alpine doesn't just manage properties, they elevate them, creating vibrant, thriving spaces that benefit everyone from the individual tenant to the entire Kansas City community. Their strategic, detail-oriented, and proactive approach ensures that every property they touch turns into a profitable, well-maintained asset that enriches its surroundings. If this deep dive into Alpine Property Management's approach has resonated with you, or if you're intrigued by the potential of your property in this vibrant market, consider reaching out to them. Explore how your real estate can be transformed, not just managed, with Alpine at your side. And if you've enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more insights and in-depth looks into how innovative management strategies can turn real estate investments into gold. Thank you for watching, and let's keep building a brighter, more prosperous Kansas City together.